In modern furniture manufacturing, process optimization is the key to profitability. Are you looking for a fast, precise, and synchronized solution for drilling, milling, and grooving? Discover the CB126S, the next-generation six-sided CNC boring machine by QUOC. The core strength of the CB126S lies in its dual high-speed drilling units, featuring 2 top units and 1 bottom unit. This specialized configuration allows the machine to process all 6 sides of a panel in a single pass. From intricate cam lock holes to complex door hinge details, everything is finished seamlessly with absolute precision, no manual flipping required. This not only protects the panel surface, but accelerates your production timeline to the maximum. The CB126S is perfectly suited for panel furniture, kitchen cabinets, and wardrobes. It handles large-scale workpieces up to 3.2 meters long, 1.2 meters wide, and up to 55 millimeters thick. Each top unit is equipped with 8 horizontal and 10 vertical drills, complemented by 6 vertical drills on the bottom and a powerful dual router system. The result? Sharp, clean edges in the ability to handle the most complex drilling patterns in one continuous cycle. Driven by the Taiwanese LNC control system and high-speed servo motors, this machine delivers exceptional stability and speed for high-volume orders. A standout feature is the automatic barcode scanner, which allows the machine to instantly recognize processing specifications. This saves setup time and significantly reduces labor costs, while the intuitive touch interface ensures ease of use for any technician. If you are seeking the perfect balance of speed, precision, and labor optimization, the CB126S is your strategic investment. QUOC, leading woodworking technology solutions. Contact us today for a detailed consultation.